Hello, good morning to one and all. Today we start the topic Introduction to Unix Operating System. Let us discuss what is an operating system. An operating system is software that manages the computer's hardware and provides convenient and safe environment for running programs. It acts as an interface between program and the hardware resources. It is loaded into memory when computer is booted and remains active as long as machine is on. Define the Unix operating system. Unix operating system is a portable, multitasking, multi-user and time-sharing operating system. Now let us discuss history of Unix operating system. The Unix operating system was developed by Ken Thompson at AT&T Bell Laboratories in the year 1969. He wanted to create a multi-user operating system to run space travel game. Ken's philosophy was created an operating system with commands or utilities that would do one thing well. Later, students at California developed the Unix operating system and introduced Berkeley's software distribution version of Unix. It is the free version of Unix operating system. The figure shows Unix architecture. It consists of four major components. The kernel is the heart of Unix operating system. It is loaded into memory when system is booted and communicate directly with the hardware. The user programs that need to access the hardware use the service of kernel. These programs access the kernel through a set of functions called a system calls. The kernel manages the system memory, schedule process and decides their priorities. The shell. The shell receives and interprets the commands entered by the users. Even though there is only one kernel running on the system, there could be several shells in action, one for each user who is logged in. Set of utilities. A utility is a standard Unix program that provides a support process for the users. Application programs. These programs written by system administrators or professional programmers. They provide an extended capability to the system. Now we will discuss features of Unix. First one, multi-user system. The system allows multiple users to work on the operating system simultaneously and independently. The computer breaks up a unit of time into several segments and each user is allotted a segment, so at any point of time the machine will be doing the job of a single user. Multitasking system. Unix is a multitasking system. In multitasking environment, a user sees one job running in the foreground, the rest run in the background. The user can switch the jobs between foreground and the background, suspend or even terminate them. Next one, building block approach. Unix commands are developed to perform one simple job. Through the use of pipe and filters, Unix implement a beautiful philosophy. Many Unix tools are designed with the requirement that output of one tool be used as input to other. For example, listing the files and directories and word count commands were used with pipe to count the number of files in your directory. Next one, Unix tools. To properly exploit the power of Unix, one should use the host applications that are shipped with every Unix systems. These applications are quite diverse in scope. There are general purpose tools, text manipulation utilities, compilers and interpreters, network applications and system administration tools. Next one, pattern matching. Unix features a very sophisticated pattern matching features. For example, by using ls command with an unusual argument, chop star lists all the files starting with a chop and ending with anything. The star is a special character used by system to indicate that it can match a number of files. Next one, programming facilities. Unix shell is also a programming language. It was designed for programmer. It has all necessary ingredients like control structures, loop and variables and establish its powerful programming language on its own right. These features are used to design shell scripts. Next one, documentation. The principal online help facility available is the man command, which remains the most important reference for command and their configuration files. Today we discuss new topic, Unix environment and Unix structures. Unix is used in three different computer environment. One, person environment. Second, time sharing environment. Third one is client server environment. In person environment, originally designed as a multi-user environment, many users are installing Unix on their personal computers or their laptops. The trend of personal Unix system accelerated in the mid-1990s with the availability of Linux. The Apple System X, released in 2001, incorporated Unix as its kernel. The figure illustrates time-sharing environment. In time-sharing environment, many users are connected to one or more computers. Their terminals are non-programmable. Output devices such as printers and storage devices such as disks are shared by all of the users. All the computing must be done by central computers. It must control and share resources. It must manage the shared data and printing, and it must also do the computing. Figure shows illustration of time sharing environment. Here the computer breaks up a unit of time into 8 segments and each user is allotted a segment, so at any point of time the machine will doing the job of a single user. The figure illustrates client server environment. A client server computing environment split the computing function between central computer and user computer. The users are given personal computers or workstations so that some computation responsibilities can be taken from the central computer and assigned to the workstations. In client-server environment, the user's workstations are called clients. The central computer system is known as server. Since the work is shared between client and the server, the response time and monitor display are faster and the users are more productivity. Let us discuss POSIX and single Unix specifications. The group of standards, the portable operating system interface for computer environment, were developed based on instructions given by the Institution of Electrical and Electronic Engineers (IEEE). POSIX refers to the operating system in general, but was based on Unix. Two of the most standards from POSIX family are known as POSIX 1 and POSIX 2. POSIX 1 specifies the system calls. POSIX 2 specifies shell and utilities. A joint initiative of Open and IEEE results in the unification of two standards. This is a single Unix specifications version 3 nothing but SVS v3. The slogan "Write once, adopt anywhere" approach to this environment means that once software has been developed and any POSIX compliant Unix system, it can be easily ported to another POSIX compliant Unix machine with minimum modifications.